I'm sure you are annoyed by the million ads you see every day. Some around and repetitive. But I have a solution for you. It's a simple. You open your settings, scroll down, and select privacy and security. Scroll down again and select Apple advertising. If you have this option enabled, disable it. Scroll back down. Now click on the time and screen. Scroll down and select content and privacy restriction. You need to allow it. Scroll down, select Apple advertising and disable it. Go back to the main menu of settings, click on apps and select Safari. Scroll down and click on block pop-ups. And that's it. If I help you, give me a like and subscribe.